Even 98-degree temperatures won't keep your boy from bringing you this F-250 covered edition, leveled on 37s. Let's go. You know what, screw it. I've been out here all day long, freaking sweating butter. About dropped my Rio sunglasses. The Rio sunglasses, we sell them here at Akins in our Wild Willies accessory store, and your boys feel a little bit better. Topless. These are all 23 250 Super Duties here at Akins Ford. And look right here, this is our covert edition leveled on 37s. Now, it's, as I told you earlier on my truck review, it's kind of hard to pick out a covert because there is not that much difference, but we go up 2.5 inches in the front and 1 inch taller in the rear only, and we can accommodate 37s with no problem, no rubbing, no scrubbing. Very minor trimming, if that. I mean, the only thing we trimmed up was that trimmer valance. We took the long pesky valance and trimmed it up to our own fashion. This is a little bit longer than a trimmer. It's right at that 3-inch mark. So let's pull this bad boy out and review, but the covert life is about leveled stance and upgrades without compromising the overall ride quality and benefits of keeping the truck not as tall as some that you see rolling around here on 37s, you know, 4 or 6 inches elevated. Let's get it. 102. This truck is so clean and rugged at the same time with methods and ridge grappers in 37 inches. The stock tire height is 34 inches tall, so we're going 2.5 inches taller in the front to give us that leveled stance, but rolling with 37. So go 3 inches overall increase in tire height, 37, 12.5, 20. Nitto ridge grapper, that hybrid tire. It's a phenomenal tire. It looks so aggressive, but it rides so good. That's why it's #1 tire in America and #1 with us for that reason alone. Look how aggressive that sidewall is. It's just a banger. And the MR 305 in 20x9 plus 18. It's the sweet spot, y'all. It's money because you still have a mild to wild scale in that mild side because of the plus 18, but we're still sticking out definitely more than stock, about 1.5 inches in total. It's a great stance and there's no rubbing. The radius arms have been bent more inwards, so we don't have any issue with the clearance right there. Plus, anyway, we know what's up when it comes to the right wheel and tire offset. That's why you gotta mess with us, y'all. We know the combo to make it work, no matter what you're trying to achieve. We got a Recon stubby antenna as well, but this wheel and tire combo works for me because it accentuates the black and the chrome while giving that rugged appeal to it. There's some American flag logos on both sides. Go America, still the strongest nation in the world. A Rowan Lock XT retractable bed cover, which has the T-slot on top as well. So for any above bed options like kayak rack, tents, or any type of accessory to go overlanding or off-roading or just better your overall everyday enjoyment. Now for the back, I want to talk about these BMC lights. I'm gonna turn around and get it out of the shade. Just a strong rear appearance with that wider wheel and tire combo. Just makes the truck look more proportional. Before we get to the BMC lights, let me come around and give you a good side shot. So again, a 4-inch block in the rear, a 2.5-inch ready lift coil spring replacement in the front. And this is my setup that I love because it looks perfect to me. If anything, it's more balanced out. We see us running a 2.5 in the front with no block in the rear. And to me, this just still has that strength to it where if you throw, 1,500 pounds or pulling a trailer of any significance, it's gonna squat that rear even more. So I love this right here because I can tow with confidence without airbags, knowing that I'm still not gonna be front side heavy if I'm towing a pretty good load. And it still does not look higher in the front right here. It looks perfect to me, y'all. It looks absolutely perfect. So you can see our BMC lights, first time running these, rigid lights coming out the side for great side lighting, but our SRQs built into this rear application, it just attaches on either side of your hitch in the back. I think it's a great option because a lot of you may not want to cut up your rear bumper and install those flush mounts right there. So a great way to get added rear reverse lighting or lighting if you're working outside the back at nighttime. And then same thing for the side. You can just see your peripheral better by having more lighting. So BMC lights, look for us to bring you more of those. If you like that option, let us know and we'll run them time and time again. Looking amazing. So this covert edition is ready to hit the lot and just about to throw it to the detail shop to get it ready to roll. A stunning 250 Lariat covert edition, 2.5-inch leveled on 37s. You know how we do. We take this truck right here and take it to the next level with our subtle but beneficial covered edition package. For your boy Real Deal Neal, it's a hot one again, but we dropping diamonds regardless. Bringing you all the greatest and latest in the automotive industry is what my passion is, and I ain't stopping. Peace out.